next Swiss Army knife in my collection is a vintage camper. You can see it doesn't have logo camper here. I don't know are the original sheets on him, but I think that is the model. It has the main blade, it has the can opener, screwdriver, same as new one, 2 positions, saw blade, bottle opener, and this little blade, I don't know how it's called. It's more than 30 years old. It was not used too much. It has a lot of scratches on blade, but it's in pretty decent shape. It's dull. I don't sharpen it. It remains in my drawer. It's more sentimental piece. It has 1, 2, 3 layers. It has this little blade too. On any Swiss Army knife, even this old, it's the same toothpick. This one has a little bit damage, I don't know from where. And completely same tweezers. The length of it is the same as a Huntsman. Its logo, everything is the same. It's interesting. More than 30 years. Its shape didn't change a little bit. It's the same thing completely.